Well, here's our first problem. Literally broke the axle. So I'm gonna try and get this to the next, to right off the road up here, but
sleeves that are inside here, but
so now I'm taking off this other wheel so that I have access to the entire axle, as you can see, and then once I get that completed, I'm gonna go ahead and we'll get the other one put on when Cody gets here. So now that I have the tire off, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this axle. I don't need to remove the leaf springs or the suspension shackling there. I just got to take these bolts off. I already have some of them loosened, but I'm going to support the axle with my bottle jack and then drop this piece down to the ground, and then I'll go over and do the other side. So the main reason I'm going to support this with the bottle jack is to maintain that it's even. Otherwise, when this drops, it will put torque on the other side and make it much more difficult to remove. So I'm going to get both of them removed. Now that I got this axle off, you can see it's totally disconnected. I have the U-bolts here and it's dropped down, so all I have to do now is when the new axle comes, we'll slide it in, and then once we get it underneath of here, we'll get it mounted back up. I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I may have to pull my entire wheel assembly off, and I'll find that out once he gets here. So he has impact wrenches coming, so wow, I just can't say enough about getting in touch with Cody. So we'll go ahead and get this other spare tire put together. I pulled the spare tire down and get the axle fixed.
Right now it's a holiday weekend, blah blah blah. Yeah. Just in case, what if? But
this was a crazy ordeal, but Cody worked his magic and we were able to get back on the road and make it to West Yellowstone. It was amazing that Cody was able to find an axle. He actually knew a guy, had him open his shop, got the axle, and was able to bring it to us from Idaho Falls. It took 5 hours, and after that we were able to get back on the road and make it to West Yellowstone at the time we were supposed to.